Ngariw mamanda itumna volleyball khangrew la hopokai re chena kachi kathana volleyball yang sang ngai le kha kui re katamnaw long aina chingjre city ba singrew de le chena volleyball with fans ping la azingwe volleyball court li chang yang sang mi paira
ele football yang ngai mai e ye football yang ra.
Can this be a moment but miss accuracy ketiau kha vatau kita miss sairi aram pe katamnaw long ba shin a free kick sang bang li shit le matala kaina competitive sala kaina interesting le la khai ki ma ka witness itum na sang room de le kala football aya achu aya ina acheng rew ra khai hili fans achu win a chung mai thui da thai de le pe katamnaw long ba shi number 11 pe win number 11 pe win number 11 na matala kaina asisami kaine ka it was block off so another corner kick. Another corner kick. This is as dangerous as a tiebreaker.
For pair KATAMNAO long.
For pair. Just one head away, just 1 foot away towards the goal. To score one goal before the first half.
Number 16, pair KATAMNAO long. Number 16 is called the kick. Slight interruption. Slight interruption. Number 16 is Tiger the delay.
Liko lakat sang la pai the predict. Sakjang the players being the sangro. But miss. A great clearance from jersey number 10. A great clearance from jersey number 10 of MAREM KATAMNAO long.
Number 7.
Number 7. Can this be your moment? It was a beautiful shot, but missed the goal. Goal je aruichi matala kaina acha bathai mi khaine ka goalkeeper na nayong thau gida matala kaina save sa shot khaine jena. Another chance of MAREM KATAMNAO long. Another corner kick. MAREM KATAMNAO long. Can this be your second chance of scoring a goal?
Corner kick for MAREM KATAMNAO long. Number 8. MAREM KATAMNAO number 8 is Sing delay. Ball.
Wow!
Come on,
this is a 50-50 ball. A 50-50 ball. A 50-50 ball.
Number 11. Pair KATAMNAO long. Again, pick up by number 10. Pair KATAMNAO long. Passing to, trying to pass with. Yes. Number 17. Again, trying. Number 8. MAREM KATAMNAO long with the fine turn. Pang naida makan road fura.
This is also as dangerous as tiebreaker. Just few meters away from the goal. Pe KATAMNAO long bash in indirect kick. The captain of Pe KATAMNAO long, jersey number 7, a Ronaldo number, will be taking this indirect kick. Goal la kamatsang Morocco!
Number 7, Mr. Shomi. Assam League Kangreo ne. Here number 7, Mr. Shomi, jersey number 7, state player ne, is going to take a wonderful kick. Come on, everybody, let's watch.
Wow, that was a great save by the goalkeeper of MAREM KATAMNAO long. Still the pole is with. Now the pole is with MAREM KATAMNAO long. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 missed. But another chances. It was out. Arui goal kathai je. Kya kamathakla MAREM bashi na attack tak sa je. Arila chikatha chungmai da players being really chungga expect sa dale. Pe KATAMNAO long bashi malung tuk tuk chi phokai ne arui je. It's a corner kick. Another corner kick for MAREM KATAMNAO long.
Number 7, Mr. Mayon Singh na Tiger the delay. Captain MAREM KATAMNAO long we. Mathalang Thaigamia number 12, number 13. Paul Ngabai Paul Ngabai number 6. Pekatamnaong na ball kulera.
A free kick. I Pekatamnaong long ball in the Sampang Lushitale. A free kick here, jersey number 19. Pekatamnaong with the main defender. That was a great kick by jersey number 19. The pole is with MAREM KATAMNAO long. Jersey number 22 passed. The pole is still with MAREM KATAMNAO long. Jersey number 21. MAREM with jersey number 21. The pass matalakay na Mikaire jersey number 11 li. The pole is still with MAREM KATAMNAO long. Pass again towards the goal, but it was missed. KATAMNAO long bashina clear Sami delay pole G.
Again, the ball is waiting by Mr. Ningwon. Mathayan Tukwira.
Mr. Ningwon is the very senior player of RKL. Head out by jersey number 19. Now a throw-in ball will be taken by MAREM KATAMNAO long, jersey number 21. Volunteers being the Kavaw Kon Shata like a commendator Kani Litru Kokung Milo.
Free kick will be taken by MAREM KATAMNAO long.
Can this be a moment of scoring a goal before the first half? Can this be a moment? MAREM Bashi! This is as dangerous as a tiebreaker. Indirect kick. That was a great shot! But the ball was too high.
Nearly just 1 inch. Next time you see that, my lord.
Wow, jersey number
You
10
can
na
try next
matalagay
time.
na.
King Matamne.
Pole position hi 50-50 na matalagay ng Rio de Leye. Pole clearance Sami Kavai. Marpe KATAMNAO long with jersey number 11 na sakchang da. Pole clearance Sami Kavai Sadale. Pass to jersey number 8. The pole is with KATAMNAO long, but it was foul. MAREM KATAMNAO long the foul. Referee with tissue the foul sa gida indirect kick. Sampang gida delay. Another indirect kick. Jersey number 7, Mr. Shomi. Mr. Shomi na indirect kick. Time make it delay. Pebashi! Wow, that was a great shot! A goalkeeper him a kachangkat. Senior player akasada na komlagay na pool clear Sami delay.
Mivararay kaba. Ito may tingray rin kun kay no. Ava nguni sang man nguni sang man. Mr. Ningwon. MAREM we goalkeeper here.
Police with jersey number 8. Pass to jersey number 12. Marem with jersey number 12. Jersey number 12 le assist Sami laga mong home rotura. So it was out. The ball was out. So PEH KATAMNAO long will be taken a free kick. A free kick
Number
by
19.
the defender.
Number 19. Defender number 19. Hai Chang Mei PEH KATAMNAO long with number 19. Again,
Mr.
assist by
Chihamni
number 16.
Hello, Chig. Just a quick announcement. Calling the attention of volunteers of RKL. Calling the attention of the volunteers of RKL. RKL with volunteers pangana. Kavaw kon hi shada leka announcing to thili kathak wi lungli khong milu. The pole is with Mr. Star. Mr. Star, jersey number 12 of MAREM KATAMNAO long. Mathalagay na dribbling sami dali po clear sami kawai sa laga. 50-50 ungtang rokoy the Murtura. The final decision is with the referee. Referee we t-shirt. Referee we t-shirt PEH KATAMNAO long with jersey number 10.
Ado mi spirit je mina yang sang laga ning yang khung kuchong ka lei da lei khayon na jin na yon ka thei je na thu mi spirit je thung tong tam khuira naw shi naw sok ra da khlei beng footballers kuchong ka lei da lei na thu mi spirit je athum na la shi khui laga ngareu lak ra ka ju shi sang lei na wi na tam khui ki ji nei je ning shi la ge PEH KATAMNAO number 17 na sing da lei ball passing to number 11 PEH KATAMNAO long off target. Crown problem nay, no problem ning nay kim at hamne.
The goalkeeper will be taking a free shot. That was a great kick by the goalkeeper of MAREM KATAMNAO long. Now the pole is with PEH KATAMNAO long. PEH jersey number 8 is the pole is with jersey number 7. Pass to jersey number 11 again. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. The ball clear. Sakawai. Sadalay. Tayong kawai sadalay ko. Defender ping na. Defense Ashok Mary. Defense Ashok Meogida. Jersey number 7. The throw in ball. Sang pang lushit delay. PEH KATAMNAO long way. Captain. Jersey number 7. Mr. Shomi will take. Mr. Shomi will take another throw in ball.
He caught another 4 times throw-in ball.
A corner kick. One of the most dangerous kick. Jersey number 17 of PEH. The goal katakmikida ladely. Mr. Hickson. The ball is still with PEH. Jersey number 17 the Taida Mary. Cleared by jersey number 10 of MAREM KATAMNAO long. The ball is still with MAREM KATAMNAO PEH KATAMNAO long, jersey number 7. But missed. MAREM KATAMNAO long. MAREM KATAMNAO long goal strike. Sakawai sa laga defender ping na pangnaw kita matarar turay. The Great Wall of China tada PEH KATAMNAO long bashi. Great Wall of China tada shungkam delay. That was a foul. Right after crossing the center, PEH KATAMNAO long will take another indirect kick by Mr. Chhammi. Jersey number 19 of PEH KATAMNAO long, Mr. Chhammi Karay.
Junior I League ding reo da khlei nei Mr. Jammi. Machareng ka thagrag jiwi. Yes.
That was a great passing, but out Chogaire. So MAREM KATAMNAO long will be taking another a free kick pole. Arui fifth match 35 minutes 35 minutes ng roda klini. It was a fall right after the sender. Number 7. The fall sau gida. Pay katamnaw long ball na. Free kick towards the goal. Thai kavay ngarandali. Jersey number 19, Mr. JUBILEE. He was also the former player of the Charlo FC ng Bikulan. That was a great shot from Mr. JUBILEE. Ka-goalkeeper bahina nayong tada. Matalagay na. Full timing tailagay na yon kui midlay. The pole is with jersey number 22 of MAREM KATAMNAO long. Pass to jersey number 8 and again pass, but it was missed. That was a free kick by the goalkeeper of PEH KATAMNAO long. Masid hada panda kay ni Mother Ture. Malungchang na pressure na ada ngreong ro kay thai players ping na cool sa may laga matala kay ng ngreong milu. The pole is with MAREM KATAMNAO long. Jersey number 22 na kick sa ere. The pole towards the goal. Mr. Star jersey number 12. Mr. Star kong rewoshi. Goal strike sa laga goalkeeper na kui kay ni. Matalagay na danger sa lakay kick kachung ka. Tayang rok delay.
Kanini si himatanang rekoy da senderling reo delay. Kanini si wak matalak man eh. Senderling reo da klay ni.
Another free kick will be taken by the main defender of PEH KATAMNAO long, Mr. JUBILEE, jersey number 19. Whoa, goal wrong po kay Rako. Hivakwa player spin. Can this be a moment? That was a beautiful and lovely shot. But wow,
Goalkeeper.
a great catch by the goalkeeper.
Yes.
Matalagay na jersey number 17 of PEH KATAMNAO long na defense sa Shok Mary. The pole is with MAREM. Jersey number 22. Pass to jersey number 2 of MAREM KATAMNAO long and then another pass. But it was missed. Now the pole is with PEH KATAMNAO long. PEH KATAMNAO long na matalagay na pole sing middle towards the goal. But the pole was too fast. So it was out. So a throw-in pole for MAREM KATAMNAO long. The pole is with jersey number 11. Kick the pole to pass to jersey number 7. Pass sa Tamiri. Pole clear sa kavay. Jersey number 5 of PEH. Now clear sa Shok Mary. So another throw-in pole for MAREM KATAMNAO long. Pole clear sa aming mamandalay. PEH KATAMNAO long na pole clear sa aming mamanda center back sing siyang delay. Before the halftime, team Kuchibashi na goal score sa rin iklay. Arui pa matayang ay pole possession hi 50-50 na layaw gida. Bashi na pole clear sa aming muhong delay. The ball is with jersey number 8 of PEH. Jersey number 8 of PEH. The ball is still with jersey number 8 of PEH, but it was a handball. MAREM KATAMNAO long bashi na handball sa ire. Indirect kick, just 3 meters away from the goal post. Just few meters away from the goal post. Maremba arui pe ba si akom shok malay. Hilia ka goal sang our goal nishina. Fans being they are eagerly waiting for one goal to score.
Maremba si a safe mahangi sigo.
Wow, that was a great attempt. A great shot. A great shot by PEH KATAMNAO long. Out choko gida MAREM KATAMNAO long bas in the free kick. Thai kawai ngaran lu shit delay. Free kick by the goalkeeper, jersey number 1 of MAREM KATAMNAO long.
Both the team have the same strategy and same position. Skill ngai jang rok delay. Khani ni she hi. Number 7 Mr. Myon Singh from MAREM KATAMNAO long, passing to number 12. Mr. Star. Fitness is at half time.
Wow, that was a great play. A first half of the 5th match of the 75th RAPHEI KATAMNAO long General Conference Sports Cultural and Literary Meet. Array we half a minute tramang mane. Half a just 10 minutes. Break it 10 minutes. Nay, Jane, ya ripping na yawyang kay masala. Interesting sala kay Kim. Hikita hi miss masalo say. Ngatsu kawai chiwe na mayam miluilo. Arui itum na matalakai match witness sang Rumaire, which was played between MAREM KATAMNAO long and PEH KATAMNAO long. Achakum final langtang li kangreu li karekum langtang li kangreu atam li PEH bashi hi final ngreu kai nei kala MAREM bashi la semi final kasung da ngreu kai team nei joina khanini hi ba spirit matalakai na star player kachung ka changlaga kangreu team khani aka nei.
This will be a last match for the day. This will be a last match for the day. Itum katong na here witness salaga kajija we came ni unau say. Marai mi say minute kanimang batulay. Yari bing Gigi yaw yaw kay masa mi say. Gigi nana kay masa say.
PEH KATAMNAO long ay na MAREM KATAMNAO long with 5th match celebrity kachungkala rang room the witness sang room dalay. The main celebrity is Mr. RAPHEI Tiger. Mr. RAPHEI Tiger nila matalagay na yang sang laga ning yang lagay na witness sami dalay.
Arila kasami olo jen and the kasatisho kay the hang delay. Kum guwa shay delay.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Calling the attention of all the unit president. Calling the attention of all the unit president of RAPHEI KATAMNAO long. Arama itumwe. Competition items say choreography lay delay. Kala declamation lay delay. Jana natumwe participants we aming pingje. Ishiwe RKL we vice president Mr. Teni Muinauli amingji Samit Kasamilu. Calling the attention of all the unit president. Ladies and gentlemen, aramangya itum competition items kani singagi delay China zangi gje unit kachi we participants pingjina mupha charang laka Mr. Deni Muinao, the vice president of RAPHEI KATAMNAO long li aming pingji Samit Kasamilu.
At the same time, the competition will be started at 6 sharp p.m. Pong chukle hawok kijing ya shong we competition hi.
Hello check, ladies and gentlemen. Itum hi sports football hi itum ningyang ongla kay na ring phala kay na itum witness sang room dalay. Mi shooting ngay na raka sang hitay laga kachung ka ring ka pa phong shok dalay. Players ping na lama thala kay nang riomi dalay. Chena, ladies and gentlemen, arama ngayashong night catering hiba. Itum competition item si kanilay dalay. Chena unit kachi vuna game lima pamla. Aramang yava itum conference hall li itum katonga pung taruk sharp li itum katonga ratsang misir say chain a unit kachi vuli volunteers ping the check sarara chain a pum kasaji take of minus mark katadra jere organizing committee shong way na jishat sang lushit lay arama ngasin choreography na declamation lay delay chain a reshare ting ngay na itum na football witness sakang room tata aramala talented salakay kala lyric time lakay itum kachung ka witness sang room lugi da lay delay chaina hilira sang kai ka tongana aramang yamashoy la itum chili catering hall chili conference hall chili va misir say unit kachi vuli arama volunteers ping the inspection rara ji hi sakla kai na kachi thei sana
network company being the sampangai ga Mr. Ning only sampanglo ahi rarman man nui sang man flexible saman jine aling han jen ki shai glo jen ching shen chai da hang e emu jing shen ai na ram army ji ga teu ga manat la ga mangi ji chana network pe hina athung ali wang han lo ananu thung advertise sam si chat lucky jin thung we network ki Katrati, both the team, Katrati. Congratulations, another congratulations, both the team. Team Kaninili, congratulations. Best wishes, Mr. Lay. Team Kaninishi in a Matai na Kangre we take a itum with RKL standard here. Here the guy la morgue to him, Mika Chunkana witness Saturday, Ning Yang Ungale. Nalishina camp spirit. Nishi Kangre here, Matic Ping with Piva, Gaine. Ashu, what Akala Mangavalu Gine. Gazibaba, football, Matala in the Kangro being a Sagazilla Malay Bambamane.
hello check competitive samamanda itumna second half itum witness sang room gida lay delay chaina mi shinung shinwa salaga pe katamnao along with jersey number 18 in Mr. Mansak Rising, who is also the best player 2013 RKL with best player sang bangay ni awivang peba si apang panglakay na kapes Joe jersey number 18 2013 with best player RKL. Ladies and gentlemen, after a short while, we are going to witness the most interesting game.
Both the team have a blessing time. Woo!
That was MAREM KATAMNAO long.
Waiting for the pair KATAMNAO long. They have a sacred time. Yes.
Wow, that was a big KATAMNAO long.
I think both the team will be blessed by the God after saved by any ensure. And at the same time, RKL na utsapachili ningishi kachunga pung shoktale atum na referee si mathalang sa kami wang kon kajar kika kangmu kang shomale lakmane players ping na ningyang ulangay nang real dale. Once again utsawi wang jera bakshira.
Wow. The pole is with Pe.
Okay.
Pe KATAMNAO long with jersey number 8.
Corpo Singarem Chile, Natumna, Kavakoni Shada Lake, Che Manganina Mise,
The pole is with Pe.
Lake Shang Assault now being, as I will go grabbing Natumna Kavakoni Shada Lake, Corpo Swing a Lem to Lima Mise, Paul Nasatu by Shine, Color Keeper Lee interrupts by Shine.
jersey number 10 of Bay KATAMNAO long jersey number 10 assist Sakami laga defender ping na defense Ashok Mary.
Okay,
So
Doctor's
another
turn.
throw in ball.
Mr. Doctor's turn. Nana kapao ko ni shada like nina kapao ko ni shada like announcing for the actually report something ni silagra Doctor's turn.
The ball is with jersey number 4 of Bay KATAMNAO long. Clear Sami Kavais Lakchangda Ngapayng Rok Delay. The ball is with MAREM KATAMNAO long, jersey number 7, the captain. The
Mr.
captain.
Mayon Singh passing to number 12.
Mr. Star.
Aya Shogaira.
A throw-in ball for MAREM KATAMNAO long. A throw-in ball for Bay KATAMNAO long. Another throw-in ball for Bay KATAMNAO long.
Kaninishi hi mathanang logaida. Kaninishi mathanang logaida. Ball advantage muking rok labam delay. Kaninishi hi advantage mamila ngareu dak leinai. Throw ball by Bay KATAMNAO long. Again passing to. Yes, it did. Hand pull. Okay. Yes. Free kick. Free kick will be taken by Bay KATAMNAO long. Free kick will be taken by Bay KATAMNAO long. Woo! Mama Tham Rao jiga goalkeeper ji Matha lang in save Samira. MAREM KATAMNAO long goalkeeper na Matha save Samira. Another 18 na tayo laga. Ngak shok later. Bay KATAMNAO long number 18. Matha in tayo mi laga save Samira. It was an offside.
Offside. Jersey number 7 of MAREM KATAMNAO long.
An issue here. Pung limi yang lam mathanang rogai da Jimmy Kutuni yang gi jinai. Jimmy matunang ay dengdeng reu gi jani shi here. Kasigla mathai mi ne. Mathai mi mane. Na thumlin mahang la. MAREM KATAMNAO le ko keeper ji Jing Shen Chai je na. Rer sala le nui man gai ne ji. Again ball by
A throw-in ball. A free kick ball by Bay KATAMNAO long. The ball is with MAREM KATAMNAO long. Jersey number 7. The
Mr. Mayon Singh passing to Chelsea number 2 again. Goalkeeper number 9 type Samira. Ball timing here. Both the team. Goalkeeper can initiate Mathanang rogai the ball timing the thing rogai. Number two, MAREM KATAMNAO long. Watching. Passing again. Bay KATAMNAO number 4 na sing delay. Again. Number 23. Trouble. Trouble. Trouble for MAREM KATAMNAO long. Will be taken by number 2. Again trouble. Number 10 passing to goalkeeper MAREM KATAMNAO long goalkeeper ni yon sư khui luka ka thakshang mi loi ro. Again Myon Singh. Again Myon Singh. Again Myon Singh. This will be your wonderful skill.
It's a handball. It's a handball from PEH KATAMNAO long. So jersey number 10 of MAREM KATAMNAO long will be taken the indirect kick. The indirect kick. Danger Salakai kick time delay. MAREM Bashi Akon Kashoklo. Let's cheer up for jersey number 10. Jersey number 10.
Save by PEH KATAMNAO long.
Goal by MAREM KATAMNAO long.
Save by PEH KATAMNAO long.
This is as dangerous as a tiebreaker. A penalty kick. Jersey number 10 is all set to score a beautiful goal.
Mr.
Yes!
Bless.
Wow! But it was
Mr.
too direct.
Bless.
But it was too
Bless.
straight to the goalkeeper.
Mr. Bless, you can try next time. Mr. Bless number 10 here are recycling real the glane.
Another chances?
23. Again. PEH KATAMNAO passing to number 8. PEH KATAMNAO launching the ball. Passing to captain. Ball by delay. Number 10. Corner kick will be taken by MAREM KATAMNAO, Mr. Myon Singh. Corner kick, Mr. Myon Singh. Are he trouting real high?
Can this be the moment of scoring one beautiful goal? By hand! Wow! That's a wonderful strike! That was a wonderful strike by MAREM KATAMNAO long. Goalkeeper pass in a Matala kay ni yon kuy may pe pashi hili ayalong malung tuk dami yang sang bay turay.
Taru mangsang ang lo. Tuk taru mangsang lo. Makuing asag lo. Kanini si matala in hang raw mi dalay. Yang gasang naubing na ben lagan yang dalay. Hoksa kasayli lang may da. Mr. It was an offside.
It was offside. MAREM pashi na strike kasahi mga samla tasaki delay. He will next katapali ba MAREM pashi na goal score raka saulabay. The pole is with MAREM KATAMNAO long. Jersey number 11 pass to Mr. Star of MAREM KATAMNAO long, but it was too fast.
Physical.
So it was cleared by PEH KATAMNAO long. A throw-in ball.
Mr. Starlila, ningo ni Jingshen ji next liye mi manglo. Ningo ni Jingshen ji ketiaw ka physical hi. Ketiaw ka pang may kai.
It was a throw-in ball, Kane. It's a foul. So a free kick will be taken by MAREM KATAMNAO long. The defender, the left defender of MAREM KATAMNAO long will be taken a free kick towards the goal. That was a great shot. A great shot. Clear Sami Kavai sadly. MAREM KATAMNAO long with jersey number 23 na Paul G Singh like a pass Samiri. It was a wrong pass. So it was out. So another free kick from PEH KATAMNAO. The main defender of PEH KATAMNAO, Mr. JUBILEE, will be taking this free kick. Mr. JUBILEE. That was a great shot. Another throw-in ball for PEH KATAMNAO. Jersey number 7, the captain, Mr. Shomi. Matalagay na Samiri. The pole is with MAREM KATAMNAO, but it was blocked off by PEH KATAMNAO. So another free kick will be taken by MAREM KATAMNAO. Simik na tun mamanu da fans ping yang kasang ping mulung tuk chi mamanda sik mamanay re. Fans ping na aksi panglagay na wow! Wow! Thousands of eyes are witnessing this beautiful game, this beautiful match, which is played between the PEH KATAMNAO and MAREM KATAMNAO. The pole is with MAREM KATAMNAO. MAREM KATAMNAO pass again to Mr. Myonsing, but it was a great defend by the defender of PEH KATAMNAO. So another throw-in pool for MAREM KATAMNAO. Can this be a moment? The pole is with jersey number 10. Jersey number 10, crossing sakawai sa laga PEH ba sina. Handball sa kita free kick, indirect kick thai kawai ngaran delay. MAREM bashi gola kamatsang marakulay. Just one goal away, just 1 foot away. PEH bashi
block out Musamrao.
Can this be the moment of scoring one beautiful goal? The fans being thousands of eyes are witnessing. Fans being the matalagay na witness sadly. That was a great strike, but the ball was too high. Ball baji pang nakatagay. A free kick will be taken by PEH KATAMNAO again. The main defender of PEH KATAMNAO, Mr. JUBILEE. The pole is with PEH KATAMNAO. Here's Ashang Meri. The pole is with jersey number 23. 23 ball clear Sami Kawai Sakchangda Sadalay. Release Samiri ball. Jersey number 8. Release to Mr. Star. Mr. Star release to jersey number 11. The pole is still with MAREM KATAMNAO. Goal strike Sakawai Sakchangda Randalay. The pole is still with MAREM KATAMNAO. Jersey number 10. Pass again, jersey number Mr. Star! Matalagay na tayo mene. Mr. Myonsing pass to jersey number 23. 23 pass, but it was missed. PEH KATAMNAO with jersey number 10. PEH KATAMNAO with jersey number 10. The pole to release Samire. Goal strike Sakawai Sadalay. That was a wonderful kick by PEH KATAMNAO, but goalkeeper Baji Matanaw kita na yon si Hui Kaine. Still another chance by jersey number 18, Mr. Mansak. Mr. Mansak release. Can this be the moment of scoring one goal? Wow. Goalkeeper na matanaw kita goal hi etek masara today. Kanichi mang samla richi etek ta sa kay ni.
Goalkeeper na umaghanang lo da hangdalay. MAREM pasili. Goalkeeper na mulung tuk na jilo da hangdalay. Ilay da hangdalay.
Mr. Star out. Jersey number 9 of MAREM in. Matalagay na perform sa amin kayo ibang Star. Ibang apang-pang lagay na MAREM Bashi Kapimisa! Jersey number 9. Best wishes.
Jingshen mi mangaulo Mr. Sali.
Another chance. PEH Bashi na advantage kuiluy delay. Mr. Chihamme.
Trouble for MAREM KATAMNAO long.
The pole is with MAREM KATAMNAO long still, but it was foul. Number 23 of MAREM KATAMNAO long, the falls out with the number 7, the free kick take Vang Randale. Free kick will be taken by Jersey number 19.
Team spirit he Taylor yang sang being ning young the lay na thumna mathalai na alung ling rom the clay Mr. 19 from Bay. Mr. 19 of the lay captain of PEH KATAMNAO long.
The pole is still with PEH KATAMNAO long. Release the pole, but goalkeeper Ling and I now with a goal strike Masara Toure. Pole clear Sami Kawai Sakchang da Sadale. Jersey number 19 and jersey number 9 of MAREM. A throw-in ball. A throw-in ball for MAREM KATAMNAO long. Jersey number 9. But missed. Now the pole is with
PEH KATAMNAO long. PEH KATAMNAO long.
Release, but it was failed.
PEH KATAMNAO number 10 ng home delay. Number 2, number 8. 23 by MAREM KATAMNAO long. 7 na ngapay gulera. Pass me vai riyang delay. Number 8. That was foul. Yellow card for MAREM KATAMNAO long.
PEH KATAMNAO long the advantage kuidale. Hili a kola ka score saula pai the kachung kana hili predict sang rok dale. PEH bashi goal matsang maro. Just one beautiful goal.
MAREM bashi safe masang bro.
Jersey number 10 of PEH KATAMNAO long will be taken this in direct kick. This is as dangerous as a penalty kick, just next to penalty kick. And then just few meters away from the goal post. Jersey number 10 of PEH KATAMNAO long. Jersey number 10 of PEH KATAMNAO long will be taken this in direct kick. Release the ball! But it was missed. Another opportunity, another chance. But miss, clear by MAREM KATAMNAO long. Another chance. The ball is still with jersey number 10 of PEH KATAMNAO long. But it was out. So another throwing ball for MAREM KATAMNAO long. Sigma Manay defense wing Akshita. Wow!
Jimmy maturang eh. Ani siya Jimmy katunan do yung ra.
Just 35 minutes.
Matcha nang rogay da ani siya here. Time breaker daw by the may kajungan na predict sa dalay. Matcha nang rogay da final kui bao si da hang dalay kanini sile.
Another advantage for PEH. Jersey number 8! Wow, jersey number 8. Matalagay na strike sa kaway salaga. Defender being the defend. Matalagay na MAREM bashi na Sashok Mayre. Another chances. The pole is with MAREM PEH KATAMNAO long. Jersey number 7. Trying to release the pole. Release Matalagay na Samiri with jersey number 8. The pole is with jersey number 8. It was offside. Goal strike sa kaway sakchang the team kanishi na hot nang rok tale. A free kick by jersey number 22 of MAREM KATAMNAO long.
Yang kesang beng team beng na flag team makit nilo. Kiyidre sala ayar ketiak syok makit nilo. Ning sinare interrupt saya thomle. Spectator beng da flag ji ketiak ko syok me logo kit nilo. Request by the referees.
A throw in ball. 7 na mathalak in the release Samiri. Can this be the moment? Chances sa mathalak ay yung laga miss Saluere. Hello, another good news for Quire fans. Ari volleyball Quire versus Chingjiroy Ngareolaga, Chingjiroy CD Ngareolaga, Quire na Ueda. Paul matalagay na pe pasin na advantage Quidele. Matalagay na pe pasin na advantage Quidele. The ball is with jersey number 10. Release the ball! Goalkeeper! Goalkeeper si na matanaw kita yon su Quidele. Ajiva maremba si hersa subay na mung hami ka maralim rako. It was offside. Offside by MAREM. A free kick ball i Pe basi na sang panglugi the lately. The main defender of Pe, Mr. Jihammi Curry, will be taking this free kick shot. That was nice and beautiful shot by Mr. Jihammi, the defender, and a good save by the goalkeeper of MAREM KATAMNAO long. The ball is with MAREM! Matalagay na advantage quick kawai sa laga murder today. Another advantage. Ball clear sami kawai sakchang da ngapayang rock delay. The ball is with MAREM KATAMNAO long. MAREM KATAMNAO long na pang na release sami okay the Mr. Meon Singh. Just in number 7 manang today. Release the ball by the goalkeeper. Delay advantage quick kawai ngaran Lushit delay. A throw-in ball, advantage. A throw-in ball for MAREM. Just in number 11. Release to 23. A cane. The pole is with Pe KATAMNAO long. Pe basi na advantage matalaki na Quidele. Pe KATAMNAO long with just in number 18, Mr. Mansak. Wow! Matalagay na game spirit lagay na competitive sa lagay na ngareo laktalay. Fans bing masigay clay! Fans bing yang laga. Ajin na chung may 3 the witness sa dalay.
Magic. Masik marau jiga. Sik marau jiga.
Ziming na tun maman mo da. Itungwi kang reo atam hilata maman dalay. Kaji kataya rin na ba? Aji wihi tiebreaker ung daw labay dalahang dalay. Changing. Ref.
18 in.
MAREM.
23 out.
MAREM KATAMNAO long. Number 23. Number 23 out and number 18 in. MAREM ba si panglagay na perform sami kay wibang apang panglagay na 23 wibang kape mi say Joe. Sikpo kay re apang kape himam lai say.
Mga torsong pung trogle men's football hi Chingjoy Kolay na Mahui Katamnao Long. Motor Pung Trok Sharply. Men's football. Chingjoy Kolay versus
Number 18 in best wishes.
Nanigishina no Samilo. Kaninishina no Samilo. Motor Pung Trok Sharply. Football, men's football here. Chingjoy Kolay versus Mahui Katamnao Long. Number 8. Katak lagam matura. Number 7 again trying. Pay Katamnao Long. Number 7 na. Four. Marem Katamnao Tyra ki quick by Sadali.
Jersey number 20. Paul release Samire. Looking for an advantage, jersey number 7. Advantage quick by Salagam Toure. Now the ball is with Katamnao Long, jersey number 8 of Katamnao Long. Release the ball! Release the ball! Release the ball to jersey number 18, Mr. Mansag. Call attempt Saka by Salagam Toure. Another advantage for Katamnao Long. Katamnao Long, the sacrifice out like a goalkeeper. The goalkeeper of Marem, Nayong Tata, Kachunga safe Samiri.
Mr. Jingshen. Mr. Jingshen.
Advantage, Katamnao Long. The pole is with jersey number 7. Release the pole to jersey number 18, but goalkeeper, Nayong Talak Tale. Goalkeeper Nayong Tada Anabam Sukui Kane, senior player Rakane, Marem Katamnao Long with one goalkeeper Chikta Lake Saji Sokumi Yakalage. Yarinala Kanganing Bingjin ang Longami Bayre. Warm up Sauce. Kapam Bingjin na Langaning Gamilo. Sigma Manaira.
Kick my time there, goalkeeper recovers Ida. Jingshen will go the command.
The defender has kicked the pole, released the pole. Still an advantage for pair. It was a foul. Foul Saugida, Marem Katamnao Long. The defender of Marem Katamnao Long will be taking this free kick shot. Matalagay na shoot Samiri. The ball is still with jersey number 11 of Marem. Release the ball. Another chances, looking for another advantage. Advantage para Gamaratura. The pole is with jersey number 10 of Pe Katamnao Long with jersey number 10. The goal striking Sakavai Saksang Sadale. But it was too close to the goalkeeper. It was a great miss. Goalkeeper Bazi Matalagay na active Salagay na. Sami dele goalkeeper Wivang Maremba siya pangakshi panglakay na PMSI. Wow! Matalagay na perform Sami dele. It was foul. So another advantage for Katamnao Long. Katamnao Long ba siya na. Advantage quick dele. Jersey number 19 of Katamnao Long. Wearing the sky blue jersey. Matalagay na ball release Samire. Wow! That was a great save by the goalkeeper. Matalagay na save Samire. Now the ball is with Marem Katamnao Long, jersey number 10. The ball is with jersey number 10. Jersey number 10 of MAREM KATAMNAO Long looking for his teammate to release the ball, but wrong pass. Another advantage. PEH jersey number 10. Jersey number 13 naman. Talagay na defend out sa Chong Mere. Mr. Miao Singh. The captain has released the ball. The captain of PEH KATAMNAO Long. Another advantage. Looking for another advantage. It was the throw-in ball for MAREM. MAREM KATAMNAO Long. Another advantage. PEH KATAMNAO Long with jersey number 8. Ka goalkeeper li matana pass mi daire. Medic for PEH KATAMNAO Long. Competitive sa lagay na yari ping malung tuk. Yang sang dalay players ping nala cool sa lagay ng Reomilo. Thousands of eyes are witnessing this beautiful game which is played between MAREM KATAMNAO Long and PEH KATAMNAO Long. Thousands of eyes are witnessing to all the players.
Hunda kamangay players ping Kanglo semik tungai ra adam dagi jai.
Atam daki tang nai lagay re.
Itum la khang la yang sang dalay. Na shiwi matana idang jirngai zal la khang rok da galay nay. Na shinala Hunda ka atam him tayang Reomilo. Go boss we ngalem jilima pamilo audience ping.
Players ping na fear sa lagay na spirit nilagay ng Rio da Clay fans ping we ninyang kung nay. MAREM Bashi up PEH up final World Cup final FIFA World Cup final kayang lehi na malung kasamay dalay da pewi miss ayana hangra dalay ayam malung gutung na ida mili lamang hanturay
Ketung merau jika. Magriag jika. Pair number 9 in, number 8 out. Jersey number 9, pair in.
Matalagay ng Rio delay. The ball is with MAREM KATAMNAO Long, jersey number 8. Still the ball is with MAREM KATAMNAO Long. Jersey number 8 is trying to release the ball. PEH na defensa siya kay Ray.
Both team have a Carlton minutes. Pangagasisang midalay.
The ball is with PEH KATAMNAO Long.
Nasung may Carlton minutes. Minute panga.
5 minutes extra. Advantage. Goalkeeper of MAREM KATAMNAO Long is trying to release the pole. The pole is with PEH KATAMNAO Long. PEH KATAMNAO Long. PEH KATAMNAO Long with jersey number 6. 6 na sing laga. Clear masarro to the outro kay but got another chance. A throw.
Come on, wake up. Wake up. minute pangamang heli mathalai nang reolo both the team kaninishi mazang khawai salo chang khawai la salo
hello che goal chang khawai pe katamnaw long mathala kaina strike sa dale goal chang khawai strike sa dale pe katamnaw long. Wow, that was a good strike.
Wow.
Goalkeeper, Marem goalkeeper Chang Hiva, Ningyang Ong na plungay re.
Awi abanglin nei gai nei. Enret jiga sin aule.
Mathala kaina, Paul Kachunga save Samere from the goal. Paul clear sacrifice sakchang da team kanishi hing opay ngorok talay. The pole is with number 16 of KATAMNAO long. He released the pole and then pass to the striker, but it was a foul. So will be another advantage for KATAMNAO long. KATAMNAO long pa siya na advantage ako kui delay.
Referees pingmang jingam ro jiga.
Peba si goal matsang bro! Let's cheer up! Cheer up for the player, the captain of KATAMNAO long. The captain of KATAMNAO long is all set to take the free kick, the indirect kick. Can this be the moment? Can this be the moment before winding up? Can this be the moment of scoring one beautiful goal? Pebashi! Whoa! Pebashi! Can this be the moment? Everyone is waiting. Everyone is eagerly waiting for this moment. Everyone is waiting for this moment to score one beautiful goal. The captain of KATAMNAO long will be taking this indirect kick. That was missed, but another chances by jersey number 19. Jersey number 19. Jersey number 19. Wow, but it was missed. Marem KATAMNAO long. Jersey number 7. Ball clear sacrifice sakchang da sa dalay. Jersey number 7 of Marem KATAMNAO long. But it was out, so another throw-in ball for KATAMNAO long. Another throw-in ball for KATAMNAO long again. Changing. Ref. The goalkeeper of Marem KATAMNAO long. Changing. Mr. Ngorangam na. Mr. Chen Cheng Li. Change sacrifice. Marandalay. Panglakay na pangkapimi sa Marem Bashi! Mr. Ngarangamin. Jersey number 24 of Marem KATAMNAO long. Goalkeeper Hingachigere. The advantage. A throw-in ball for KATAMNAO long. Ka-fall sa ogida. Marem KATAMNAO long na advantage ko ilusit talay. Kasing na yung maman. Atam la tama manay re. Fans bing Akashima. Wow! Sigpo kay re. Warm up sasi. Kapambing lang nganing kami si Raulo. Kanganing bingjin na la chong kami si Raulo.
Come on. Second tong kay mang batek lang ni second tong kay. Madaing salo Marem Bashi. Second tong kay mang.
Marem Bashi na kola kat sangaw la pa ida hili Mr. Hashokmi kong regoshi manlung chang la kay na hili baw sang dalay. Manlung chang na ida mili lamang hanturay. Wow! Panglakay na pangkapimisay!
Second tong kay mang matilay mo chibla.
Now let's witness the tiebreaker, the second tiebreaker of today's match. tiebreaker. Everyone is waiting for this moment. Team kaninishi competitive sana ang rokogi da goal akala. Matsang rock to the ari hi tiebreaker saki da lay. Yari ping na yaw yang machi milo laka goal boss ngalem jili mi kipa kamaba milo ji hi saklagay na shot delay. Volunteers ping na kayang sang mirano. Goalkeeper ping li distract masakavay. Goal post ngalem jili mi kipa kamang ning milo.
Kanok goal post wi kanok jili mang ning milo. Goal post wi kanok jili mang ning milo.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's witness the heartbreaking moment. Hello, Chick. Let's witness the heartbreaking moment. Kajikata team wivang ba hi kapuning kagay langasay bay. Ari tiebreaker hi mi panga each na taigi jine. Pe katam na long way na 5. Kala marem katam na long way na 5. The 5-5. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all wish them a very best. Ladies and gentlemen, katamasigay raklay! Without further ado, we are going to witness the tiebreaker between Marem Katamnaolong versus Pe Katamnaolong. Tiebreaker hi mi panga rip na taimire. Itum kataongan na la ning sang lagay na pang kakape ng soda. Ning yang lagay na yang sang milishit say.
Yang sang beng goal post wi kanok jili mang ning milo. Na tumli sazu bai shinay. Kala goalkeeper ping li la distract sa bai shinay.
Wow, that was a Pe Katamnaolong. Hello, Chick.
And another hole for.
Hello, Chick.
And another hole for.
Hello, Chick.
Come on, we are waiting for the Marem Katamnaolong.
Ladies and gentlemen. Hello, microphone. Hello. 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 Hello, Chick. Hello, Chick. Merna va way the pitri la tima manay re. Kami ba pongjing fudle.
Whoa! That was another hole for Marem Katamnaolong.
Team kani hiwang panglakay na yari ping na pangkape say. Sikay re.
Woo! Best wishes to both the Katamnaolong.
Best wishes from the commentator side as well. Mr. Shaimadai Wongshi on the line. And Mr. Ngakwimi Kamguru on the line.
Kuya Leo ko film kang waga siksala la. Kang na issue repay ba sikulungay.
5 each from both the team.
The first kick will be taken by Pe Katamnaolong.
Jersey number 9 of Pe Katamnaolong. Jersey number 9, Mr. Chinaucha Rising of Pe KATAMNAO Long will be taken. The first tiebreaker.
Team kanina pressure man ama misai players pengli nervous at paisine. Zong leng zong.
Jersey number 9, Mr. Chinaucha. That was a nice shot. The first. Hello, check. Hello, check. Hello.
Number 10, MAREM KATAMNAO Long. Woo! Another cheers for Blaskashung. 1-1.
Hello, check.
KATAMNAO Long number 19, Mr. Tangkhul. Another good shot. Call update. KATAMNAO Long 2, MAREM KATAMNAO Long 1. Number 11, MAREM KATAMNAO Long. Henry Shang Kong Roshi. Woo! Call update. MAREM KATAMNAO Long 2, KATAMNAO Long 2. Call Knirip Kaine. Call keeper type la masala grangai kala kathai bing la miss masala grangai. Pangaship na thaigi jin tiebreaker hi. Kanini shi thai gai nei. Hina ka kachuma. Woo! Call update. KATAMNAO Long 3, MAREM KATAMNAO Long 2. Mr. Yuting, number 8, Jersey number 8, Mr. Yuting, Kongroshi, and the Kataki the later lane, MAREM KATAMNAO Long. Oh, that was wonderful save for KATAMNAO Long. Keep my time, Nate. Keep my time, Nate. Kazang lang avay. Magkatang lang avay. Kala type sakay lang avay. Magkara lang avay. MAREM 2, KATAMNAO Long 3. Woo! Another beautiful goal for KATAMNAO Long. MAREM KATAMNAO Long, quick the later leg. Wow! That was a nice technique, a good technique for MAREM KATAMNAO long. Number 4. Number 4. Last. This will be a winning ball for PEH KATAMNAO long. This will be a winning ball for PEH KATAMNAO long. Number 4. Woo! And the winner goes to PEH KATAMNAO long. Winner goes to PEH KATAMNAO long. Ring paye, ring paye, ring shiye, ring shiye. King Batamle, another chances. MAREM KATAMNAO long, another chances lately.
Hello, Chick. Hello, Chick. Hello, Chick. Chick, 1, 2, 3. Hello, Chick. Ladies and gentlemen, units pingatong ali. Announcement na kasadalay. Arama pung 6 p.m. sharply itum. Competition item si itum. Literary hopokrira. Chena. Yari kachivuna pung terukatang shida. Itum we conference only. Razang bilu kuchi hi saklakay na organizing committee wivakay na kahangda. Ladies and gentlemen, just a quick announcement.